Hi everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. And is your lettuce and cruciferous vegetables bolting? Well, I have a solution for this problem so you can enjoy your lettuces and cruciferous vegetables. Now, lettuce is most prone, I have found. So what I do, because I want to enjoy lettuce all summer, I put them in containers. And I actually bring the lettuce in and put it in a sunny window, or I grow it in the basement since I have a sliding door. But you can't do that with all the vegetables. So let me show you. So this gets indirect sun and they will last a lot longer. Mosquitoes are getting me. So what I do is I put big pots here. Now remember, when you do container gardening and they're black pots, you have to make sure they're a number that's not 3, 6, or 7 on the bottom. And I'll take a picture of that. That way you know it's food safe. What I do is I put it here, and this is the summer kitchen area anyway, so I plant the tallest vegetables like collards. Now let's talk about collards. I have great memories of them. My father, who had restaurants, he loved French food and he loved food from Louisiana. So I was the child that would eat the grits and the collards. So now I'm growing collards. So what I do is I put them, since they're so tall, these get 3 foot, against the wall here, because you don't want to block all the shade. And I'm just putting them in. Then some of the other stuff that we could grow here is Russian kale. And it's probably one of my favorites, except for the leaves from the beets. And we'll get to that. So since these are shorter, hold on. So here I do is I plant them in the row here. Now, these will last pretty much as long as there's no pest all summer, as long as I keep it watered. Now let's talk about Swiss chard and some beets and stuff. Let me go to the front of this. Okay, now the next one we're planting is the Swiss chard. Remember, we grew it in this container. I love the look of Swiss chard. It kind of reminds me of rhubarb, which I always think is pretty. Now, this is very beautiful, it's edible, and it grows wonderfully. So, don't overcrowd it. And, hold on, I have to untangle it. We are untangled. Now, I am only putting 4 in this pot, and that's probably pushing it. Now, all you do is space them out and watch them grow. I mean, they're really amazing. And they're so healthy. And these seem to take the heat a lot better. Now, does this mean we can't have any flowers or beauty? Well, the Swiss chard is going to look amazing in a black pot. I put the ornamental pots in front. This will look nice, but let me show you a really beautiful edible. Okay, now I love beets, and my daughter loves the beetroot. Look how beautiful that is. And for me, I love the leaves. One, I think how beautiful they are, and I use them with just my annual flowers too, just as a foliage plant. But what I do with these is I actually peel off the leaves a little at a time and throw them in my smoothies or my salads. It's really a healthy choice. And these look amazing in black or white pots. Now my daughter's laughing, and I'm putting these close because I really want the foliage. Oh my, this one is a miniature beet. Now, I also grow beets in the regular garden so that I actually get the beets to eat. So I would just have a pot just for the foliage, edible foliage, and then one just for that. Now, the stunning point is violas or pansies. These will last for maybe 3 more weeks, and then I could switch them to a nice impatient. And that looks really pretty. So let me show you. That way, in this salad bowl, we have just a little hint of color. And these will kind of cascade over. Okay, this actually will be a beautiful, stunning pot, and it's right here in the summer kitchen area, and you'll be able to pick everything. And then let me just show you one more thing, and then we're done. I also have cabbage that I have started in these containers. Now I'm growing these also for the leaves. If I want the whole cabbage, then I put them in a bigger container. I put these in a windowsill when, let's say, the end of June, July happens, and I put them in there if it's too hot, or else if there's a lot of bugs. But you don't have to not eat all the wonderful cool weather vegetables. You just have to put them in a different area and plant them. This is Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Have a great day. Please subscribe.